Welcome. If you've ever felt dizzy or distracted by the flashy animations on Instagram, there's a simple solution that can make your experience much smoother. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn on the reduce motion feature in the Instagram app, so you can scroll with less movement and more comfort. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open the Instagram app. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home feed, look towards the bottom right corner of your screen and tap on your profile picture. This will take you directly to your profile page, where you can see all your posts, followers, and settings. Now, focus on the top right corner of your profile page. You'll see a menu icon that looks like 3 horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger menu. Tap on this icon to open up a list of options. From this menu, scroll down until you find the option labeled Accessibility. Tap on Accessibility to enter a new set of settings designed to make Instagram easier to use for everyone. Inside the Accessibility menu, look for the setting called Reduce Motion. You'll see a toggle switch next to it. Simply tap the switch to turn Reduce Motion on. Once enabled, Instagram will limit the amount of movement and animations throughout the app, making transitions and effects much more subtle. That's it. You've successfully turned on Reduce Motion for Instagram. This small change can make a big difference, especially if you're sensitive to motion or just prefer a calmer browsing experience. If you ever want to switch things back, just follow these steps again and toggle Reduce Motion off. Remember, Instagram is always updating its features, so keeping up with these small tweaks can really enhance your time on the app. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on making social media work better for you. See you in the next video.